So Guyana was one of my more memorable trips. This is a work trip that was going to take me to the jungles, the Amazon rainforest, on an epic work adventure where I did get an opportunity to meet the villagers, the village chief, as well as the Prime Minister of Guyana. We had a long drive ahead. We knew we wouldn't have time to eat again until we reached our destination. So we made a quick stop for lunch. Cherry's Juice Center was a hidden gem that offered us a taste of the local cuisine, and it was delicious. Nourished, we had to get to Linden through a lush and diverse landscape of the South American nation, offering us glimpses of Guyana's tropical rainforests, savannas, and really pristine rivers. We made our way to Wayne's World. Wayne's World is a stunning resort situated on the outskirts of the tropical rainforests. Now, Wayne did warn me about the possibility of encountering a puma or an anaconda and cautioned me not to step into the jungle unescorted. The cottages here were comfortable, but the weather proved to be unpredictable. One moment it was sunshine, then a thick cloud cover, and before we knew it, heavy rain. The next day we set out for Rockstone, a tropical village in the rainforest of Guyana, about 21 kilometers from Linden. The roads were rough, and the large potholes made driving extremely challenging. Rockstone was initially famous for its gold fields, balata, bulletwood, and hardwood plantations. Today, farming and fishing are Rockstone's major economic activities. The Essequibo River offers a variety of fishes: the peacock bass, arowana, leopardfish, tropical pike, and of course not to forget the piranhas. But this was not a fishing expedition. I have a healthcare product company to manage patients in remote, underserved communities. We partnered with Ben and Johnny from CoreNoc, as well as Jeffrey from Green Gibraltar, who provides state-of-the-art broadband solutions that help bridge the digital divide in these remote communities.
Green Gibraltar has made hinterland connectivity one of its primary corporate goals. This vision began to take shape in the village of Rockstone in Region 10. The extremely limited connectivity of Rockstone made it an ideal candidate. Over the course of 4 days, Green Gibraltar and its technology partner, CoreNoc, deployed a completely self-contained, self-powered unit capable of withstanding a rainforest climate. Residents young and old pitched in to bring connectivity to a community of 350, bringing life-changing improvements to education, healthcare, and quality of life.
But what made this occasion truly remarkable was the personal presence of Guyana's Prime Minister, retired Brigadier Mark Phillips, and his cabinet members, who were coming to Rockstone to witness these. The villagers were brimming with excitement as they eagerly anticipated the opportunity to meet and greet the Prime Minister. as well as experience the high-speed broadband network that is on the verge of being launched on this occasion. The villagers realized the change this could bring to their lifestyles, a social equalizer that would enable quality education, healthcare access, entertainment, as well as e-commerce opportunities to their underserved community. The stage was set for the arrival of the Prime Minister and his entourage. Just one step, in tune with the objective of one people, one nation, one destiny.
Now to the 6 different races, you know when the sun kisses your skin, you're in the right place. G-U-I-A-N-N, oh, that's my beautiful country. G-U-I-A-N-N, one people, one nation, one destiny. Don't stop for a minute. Come, let me take a walk. We're going to take it. You'll see our landmarks and our monuments, just so unique. The hybrid structure, lighthouse, the tallest construction cathedral, 1763 monuments in the beautiful city hall. You know when the wind in your hair, you're in the wrong place. G-U-I-A-N-N, that's my beautiful country. Look down through your window, no big city lights, just greenery. You don't know what you come for. Listen up, my dear, we're such a free. Welcome to the land of many faces, not one, not two, but 6 different races. You know when the sun kisses your skin, you're in the right place. G-U-I-A-N-N, oh, that's my beautiful country. G-U-I-A-N-N, one people, one nation, one destiny.
Amen.
Today is an important day, very important day for Rockstone.
One of the primary goals of the government of Guyana is to improve the level of healthcare across the hinterlands. Green Gibraltar's technology partners have created a platform with diagnostic tools to allow direct communication with medical staff in Georgetown and Linden.
My name
I'm Tushao Carter, REO, Mr. Dwight John, Mr. Dan Singh, Mr. David Mamalji, Mr. Jeffrey Van Putten, and the support team. I don't know all of your names, forgive me for that. I don't remember all the names, but certainly and the people of Rockstone. Today is an important day, very important day for Rockstone, because today is the day when you have established connectivity through the equipment here. I know we're waiting until the media comes before we flip the switch and everything.
Yes.
But this is what, as a government, we want to achieve throughout Guyana. Right? One of the points in our manifesto that we went to the election with in 2020 is during the first 5 years, our return to office, 2025, we will bridge the digital divide. Right? And when I said bridge the digital divide, we know along the coastline of Guyana, internet, telephone, service, connectivity on the whole, ICT connectivity, is fairly good and is getting better every day. But the challenge remains when you move away from the coastline into what we call the hinterlands region. Okay? Linden, there's an improvement in Linden, yes, but also Rockstone, which is just outside of Linden. I know we have some difficulties here getting onto the internet. Isn't that so?
Yes.
I see there's a sign, my GY Wi-Fi, right?
Yes, sir.
Government Wi-Fi.
Yes, near me.
That is my agency that set up this free Wi-Fi here. But I know that you're having difficulties.
Yes, sir.
In the sense that sometimes you get on, sometimes you don't get
It's
on.
actually off since day before yesterday.
And he's saying that he's off since day before yesterday. What Green Gibraltar has done is selected Rockstone as the demonstration site for their approach to ICT connectivity in Guyana. Okay, Green Gibraltar, as you heard earlier, was issued a license earlier this year. Okay, and Mr. Mamalji, if I can talk for you.
Yes, sir, please.
You know, he spent a lot of years, many years ago, when I was younger without gray hair, in the hinterland of Guyana, drilling for oil.
Correct.
Right? And he basically know the whole of Rupununi, the whole of Region 9. And from time to time, he will, venture back into the Rupununi area on his expeditions, or whatever. And the issue has always been one of connectivity. And he expressed his concern over and over. And then himself and Don team up and apply for a license. They went through the process. All the checks were done. We call it due diligence. Right? All the checks were done and they were issued with a license. And we are at the stage now where they want to establish themselves as a competent service provider alongside the other service providers in Guyana. You know about GT&T, you know about Digicel, right? And more people getting to hear about e-networks. And now we have Green Gibraltar. Right? Green Gibraltar selected Rockstone as a site for the setting up of the equipment. Okay? And my understanding is that this equipment will give them a 3-mile radius connectivity. So anything within 3 miles from here. Am I right? Technical people?
Once we get all of the spectrum, that will be the case.
All things being equal. All things being equal.
All right.
Anything within 3 miles from here, you'll be able to connect easily to the wider world. Right? In other words, you'll be here in Rockstone and you'll be able to call, you'll be able to use Netflix, you'll be able to see the football.
All right.
World Cup football coming up on Monday, right? Sunday. Yeah, she said Sunday. She's more tuned to me than anything else. Football, yes. So you'll be able, you don't have to go to Linden, you'll be right here and you'll be able to see your matches, make a call, face me, and all the things that, you'll easily do when you're in Linden or in Georgetown. right? And that is in keeping with the vision of Green Gibraltar, right? They want to connect as many areas that in the remote parts of Guyana. So what we have here is a demonstration which will last for 90 days. They were issued with a provisional license so they could set up the equipment and demonstrate to the people of Guyana, right, the connectivity that they can bring to the people of Guyana, especially in the remote areas. And after 90 days, we will have all the reviews and everything, and then of course we'll have further discussions. I say no more.
All right.
But certainly we'll have some discussion. The fact is, they already issued a license, right? And this is their venture into making themselves known to the Guyanese people as to what they can provide in terms of ICT connectivity.
This was not just work, it was a vocation. And I came back from Guyana with pleasant memories and a beautiful gift made by the kids of the village of Rockstone.